I have some chicken breast here that I washed and cut into strips and patted it dry. I'm going to go ahead and put my seasoning in it so that I can marinate it. I have a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of lemon zest, and 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper. I'm going to go ahead and pour all of that in there. I have a teaspoon of hot sauce. I also have a teaspoon of lemon juice. And a cup of buttermilk. I'm going to go ahead, go in here with my hand, and I'm going to go ahead and mix this really well. Once I get it marinated, or once I get it all mixed, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 3 hours and let it marinate, or you can leave it in overnight. But I'm just going to marinate it about 3 hours. You want to make sure every piece of chicken is fully coated, and go ahead and put a lid on it and put it into the refrigerator for 3 hours or overnight. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start making my lemon honey butter dipping sauce. I'm gonna add a stick of butter, and I'm gonna let that butter melt. Once the butter have melted, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my honey. This tastes amazing. If you never tried it before, you need to try it. Okay? I'm adding in my lemon pepper. Some garlic. And the zest of a lemon. I'm going to get this all mixed up, and I'm going to let it simmer until it comes into a boil. When it comes to a boil, I'm going to cut it off and set it to the side. When it comes to a boil like this, you want to go ahead and cut it off and set it to the side. Go ahead and get you a pot and start heating you some oil to around 350 or 370. While my oil is heating, I'm going to go ahead and mix my seasoning in my flour to batter my chicken. I have 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to mix this in with my flour. Get it all mixed, and I'm going to batter my chicken tenders. I did let my chicken tenders, they marinated overnight. Okay, so I'm going to just shake off a little excess buttermilk, and make sure I coat them really well. And once I get them coated, just lay them on the pan and let them rest for a while my oil is heating. Okay, my oil is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and start dropping them in the pan. You don't want to put too many in at one time. It'll make the temperature of your oil go down. So probably about 4 or 5. at the time. Okay, after about 4 or 5 minutes, when they start to float and look like this, they're ready to come out. Hey, PattyKakes here. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Set it to all so you'll never miss a PattyKakes recipe. Thank you for supporting our kitchen.